quarter of England, where the pace of life is slow, and the lilies on the lake are broad and lush. We're all living here in clover, and the mating season's over, so there won't be cause for anyone to blush. In our land both green and pleasant, every bat and duck and pheasant, if they had them, would be walking arm in arm. For our life is good and steady till we're plucked and oven ready. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. There's a turkey with a gobble, watches waddle start to wobble when the rooster cock-a-doodles the alarm. We got pullets, we got chickens, we got quails, and what the dickens is a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. What a gorgeous vision this is. It's Ida, she's my missus. So forgive me if I'm laying on the smarm. She goes in for heated quacking to point out the skills I'm lacking. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Come on, Dad, and don't be strangers. In our junkyard of rangers. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. He's our only source of worry. Feathers rarely get too blurry. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. How they flatter themselves and never show much interest in this. Admit I'm quite a glutton, but this first form of mutton wouldn't even make a palatable soup. But when those little ducklings hatch, that's a flavor you won't match. They're delicious and I don't get enough. As a feline, you will see me make a beeline for those tender little juicy balls of fluff.
away, 'cause I've seen you. And it doesn't do for a duck to look so sheepish. It confuses the other animals.
Ida, how's it going? Are you still sitting? I don't know. It's all right for some.
Well, if you like the sound of it so much, why don't you take a turn on the nest? Oh, and wipe your webs or did the floor this morning?
Oh, I'd love to have a crack at sitting on the egg, but you just look so comfortable up there, it seems.